Hey y'all, Diamond Painting Cajun. How are y'all doing today? I have, well, first I want to tell y'all welcome to my channel. Welcome to all you new subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. I would appreciate that as it helps my channel. So, I have a GBFKE, the second portion of it, because I couldn't do them all at one time. And these are things that I purchased with my own money. This is not a PR package. These are things that I purchased with my money. So, I hit the camera. I'm sorry, y'all. Sorry. And I'm not going back and edit that because I hit the camera. I'm sorry. Y'all just got a little dizzy for a second. I want to tell everybody thank you for watching, and all of those that are have subscribed. I want to thank y'all very much. I appreciate each and every one of you. I know I tell y'all a lot, but I'm telling y'all again. I really do appreciate y'all. Like, y'all really helping my channel. And for all of y'all that are sending people to my channel, y'all know who y'all are. I want to thank y'all from the bottom of my heart. Y'all so sweet for doing that. You guys are awesome. Y'all a great community, and I just love y'all. Love y'all a lot. I love y'all. Y'all the wonderful people. So, anyway, I want to say hello. And, how was y'all week? Like, was y'all week okay? Y'all had a good week? Everybody's good? I know I always ask that, but I really do like to know how everybody's week was and what are y'all working on? Y'all leave that in the comment section below. What's everybody working on? I was gonna do DP Big Butts, Diamond Grandma and them's event, and her host. But, I have to work on some other stuff for PR packages, and I'm going to try to work on that as well, but I really have to get some stuff for the PR packages out. So I'm going to do the PR packages, and then I'm going to try to do the next event. So we'll see how it works out. Let me fix the camera, y'all. Okay, I don't know why it's crooked, but whatever. So I'm gonna get started, and y'all don't forget, y'all leave in the comment section below what y'all working on, and let me know how y'all doing and all that good stuff. Yeah, y'all, before I even start, it's hot over here today. It's like 75 degrees. Yeah, so that's pretty cool too, because I do not like it to be cold. I don't like winter. So I have two more paintings from GBFKE that came in. And it's actually part of 4, I think, that I ordered. Or I don't even know if I don't know. But I'm going to do this and this unbagging. And we're going to see what's really going on. Y'all know I hate to unbag this because I can never find the end of this. I don't know what's wrong with me. As most of you know, I don't have a skunk stripe no more. I think it's pretty cool. My hairdresser did a good job. I'm trying to let it grow though. I had long hair before this, and when I say long hair, I mean like my hair was to the middle of my back, and it grows really, really fast when it's long, and I had to keep cutting it like every 2 months, like at least by inch or 2 inches. The last time I cut it was 2 inches, and it grew in a month. So I went all out in the summer and cut it short. Yo, I can't even get this out. I went all out and cut it short in the summertime, and now I want it back. I want my hair back because I really like putting it in a ponytail and not having to fix it that sad, or a bun, a hot messy bun, because it was really easier. But so, with the GBFKE diamond paintings, you get a boat, a plate of wax, and a pen. And this is a full round drill. And it's a 30 by 40 centimeter round drill. And the canvas is actually pretty soft. Like, it's soft. I'm impressed. This one has 23 colors. It has the DMC codes. And it's a 30 by 40 centimeter. And it's a snowman. I know it's kind of late, but y'all, these took long to come in. It's a snowman. The drill field is clear. As y'all can see. I'm trying to do the best I can, y'all, with showing y'all. But the drill field is clear. Look, the snowman, how cute. All the they have the schematics on the bottom. And they also have the schematics on the top. And look at the house, and look at the bird. Look, and the tree with the snow on top of the house. This is the item number. The item number. And it's a 30 by 40 centimeter. This is the thumbnail. I hope y'all can see that, because. And I'm gonna do the stick for y'all, but I want y'all to see it one more time. So I'm gonna sit down and we're gonna do the stick. So the stick is good on it. And like I said, it's not too much confetti. I'm gonna point y'all down. It's not too much confetti, as you could see. It's a mixture. They have some color blocking here and confetti here. But it's not bad at all. But it is, the drill field is clear. I'll point y'all down some more. I want y'all to be able to see it while I'm doing this. The drills are round. They have round drills. And the back, it's a round drill, I'm sorry. And the backs, it comes in these little packages, and the backs seem to be decent. They're very nice. The backs of them. Pretty cool. These are the colors. And as y'all could tell, they look pretty good. I mean, not all of them is going to be perfect, but you know. But I think it's so cute. The diamond painting's really cute. I love it. So cute. I think I'm going to do this one next year, though. I'm not going to do any more Christmas ones right now. I'm going to do them next year. And I have one more. So I'm going to open this one. And then after I open this one, I'm going to pick y'all back up. This one's also a 30 by 40 centimeter, and it is also round drill, and it comes with the baggies, the plates of wax, and the pen, single placer. Put those aside, drills aside. And this one's another fox. Y'all had seen this one before, and this one, I ordered another one for my other granddaughter, so that's why I have so many. Because they all liked it, so you know. The drill field is clear. It has schematics on the top right and the bottom left, and it also has the DMC codes on the side of each. The DMC numbers. The drill field is clear. And I'm going to step it back so y'all can see better. And I'm going to do the stick on it. The stick is good. And it doesn't seem to be, it's a mixture of color blocking It's not really a lot of confetti at all in this. And I did do one. I do have a photo of one already done. So, yeah. I'm going to show y'all the drills for those. They come in little baggies. They come in the little zip baggies. And those are the drill colors. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna pick y'all back up. Oh gosh, well, I picked y'all up too much, sorry. Hold on, y'all, I'm sorry. Good grief, it fell out. Hold on. I'm so sorry. Well, that was messed up. And then it's like something in my foot. Sorry, y'all. Sorry y'all had to witness that. Everybody makes mistakes. So, I'm not doing this video again. And I'm not editing it. Because my time is slim. My husband's coming in. So, yeah, I have other things I have to do. But I do want to say this. I want to tell y'all thank y'all very much for watching, and thank y'all for my new subscribers and all the ones that are still here hanging around. Y'all are awesome people. I do have some things I want to say. I want to give y'all some discount codes again. I'm going to put everything up that I did today from GBFKE is going to be in the description box below, okay? And another thing, I'm going to put some discount codes to all of these places that I'm about to name, okay? If y'all go to VIP Cross Stitch, which I do PR packages for, and you purchase something, you get 7% off with the discount code is Cajun07, okay? New Craft Day, you get 10% off, it's Cajun10, okay? Merry Making and More, you get 10% off with Cajun10. Lucky's Resin Werx, you get 15% off of his pens, diamond painting pens, with Diamond Painting Cajun, all one word. So I'm going to put all of these codes in the description box below to help you guys out. So please, if y'all order something from them, don't forget to use the code. This helps y'all. This is going to help y'all, be a little bit cheaper for you guys. Because I like to do affordable. Like, I am all about budget friendly. So if I can help you out, I'm more than happy to. I get no commission from none of these places. I just want to help my viewers out by giving y'all these codes. So if y'all purchasing something, y'all use them. Y'all use the codes. That's what I'm here for. That's what they're for. They're to help y'all out. And that's all I want to do is help you guys out, because y'all sure help me out. And you know how they say, I don't know about in y'all towns and stuff, but over here, we say one hand washes another. And that's what we do here. We help each other out. So I want to really, really thank you guys for watching me and putting up with that hot mess when my phone fell. I'm sorry about that. I apologize, but I'm not editing it. I really appreciate y'all watching me. Thank you guys, and y'all have a great, great week and weekend. Bye.